Mixed Mornings.
Public health officials for the state of New Mexico announced 80 new cases of COVID-19 statewide, bringing the total to 1,484 cases. As of Wednesday, there are 90 individuals hospitalized in New Mexico for COVID-19 and a reported 36 deaths related to the virus. A total of 353 virus patients in New Mexico have been classified as recovered. Having gone through the first full week of continuous learning, the staff and students of Clovis Municipal Schools are beginning to adjust to the new normal brought on by COVID-19. According to a press release from Clovis administration, staff continue to encourage students and the community to adhere to public health orders. To date, there are approximately 60 families in need of internet services, and the schools are working in partnership with Plateau Telecommunications to address those needs. The district and local governments have boosted Wi-Fi signals at facilities around the community so students can drive into the premises, download schoolwork and lessons, and take it home to be completed offline. Privacy and filtering protections is only ensured on district-issued Chromebooks and district Wi-Fi networks. If a student uses a personal device to download content or visits a non-district location, parents are encouraged to supervise and be aware that education-approved safeguards are not guaranteed. Starting Monday, April 20th, school staff will be able to answer calls to the main phone number at each school. Hours of operation will be Monday through Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 4:30. The suspension of field operations by the U.S. Census Bureau in response to COVID-19 has left nearly 18% of New Mexico without the ability to easily participate in the 2020 census. This has resulted in artificially lower than average response rates and poses yet another burden for the state to overcome by a complete count in the decennial effort. As of mid-April, 37% of New Mexico households have responded to the census, compared to the national average of 48%. Due to COVID-19, the U.S. Census Bureau suspended all field operations just 4 days after they begun. This included efforts by census workers to hand-deliver forms to households that don't have standard addresses or receive their mail at P.O. boxes. Nationwide, only 5% of the population fall into this category, but in New Mexico, 17.8% of all households rely on a hand-delivered form. New Mexico's governor says the state has accepted an invitation from the White House to participate in a pilot program to improve and expand contact tracing for coronavirus infections in efforts to better isolate outbreaks. Democratic Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham said she accepted an invitation to participate in the pilot program during a conversation Wednesday with the White House, and that it was unclear whether other states would be involved. New Mexico has consistently been among the top states in testing per capita for COVID-19 infections, while aggressively tracing new infections and developing a customized forecast model in cooperation with 2 national laboratories in the state. She said it was clear the effort would involve the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and the U.S. Health and Human Services Department.